Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add Midjourney bot into your Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, just simply open any of your browser that you use and then search for Midjourney into your browser. And after searching Midjourney, this first option will appear. Just simply tap into that, and then after opening this site, you just simply have to choose this sign up button and then click to continue with Discord. Then after that, this page will appear into your Discord. You just simply have to tap into accept invite button, and now this option will appear directly into your Midjourney Discord server. Just simply tap into this getting started, and now after going into this section, just simply search for Midjourney bot into here. And then just simply select Midjourney bot and then click to add app, and you will get the option to add to server. Tap into that option. You will have to select server to add this bot, and then after selecting the server, click to continue. Then after doing this, your Midjourney bot will be added to your Discord server. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.